Welcome to this tutorial on tips for Bill4Time expense tracking. Bill4Time is a time and expense tracking software designed to help professionals and businesses manage their expenses and generate accurate invoices. In this guide, we will walk you through the key concepts, practical examples, and best practices for effective expense tracking using Bill4Time. First, let's start with the basics. To begin tracking expenses in Bill4Time, you need to set up your expense categories. These categories can include items such as travel, meals, and office supplies. Once you have set up your categories, you can start entering your expenses. You can do this by clicking on the Expenses tab and selecting the Add Expense option. When entering an expense, be sure to include all the necessary details, such as the date, description, and amount. You can also upload receipts and attach them to the expense entry. This will help you keep track of your expenses and provide supporting documentation in case of an audit. Another important feature in Bill4Time is the ability to assign expenses to specific projects or clients. This allows you to track expenses by project or client and generate invoices based on these expenses. To assign an expense to a project or client, simply select the project or client from the drop-down menu when entering the expense. In addition to tracking expenses, Bill4Time also allows you to set up expense rules. These rules can be used to automate the process of assigning expenses to projects or clients. For example, you can set up a rule that automatically assigns all travel expenses to a specific project. To get the most out of Bill4Time, it's also important to establish a regular routine for tracking expenses. Set aside time each week to review and enter your expenses. This will help you stay on top of your expenses and ensure that you are accurately tracking all of your business expenses. Finally, be sure to take advantage of Bill4Time's reporting features. These reports can be used to generate invoices, track expenses by project or client, and identify areas where you can cut costs. By using these reports, you can make informed decisions about your business and optimize your expense tracking process. By following these tips and best practices, you can get the most out of Bill4Time and ensure that you are accurately tracking your expenses. Remember to set up your expense categories. Enter all necessary details when tracking expenses. Assign expenses to projects or clients. Set up expense rules. Establish a regular routine, and take advantage of Bill4Time's reporting features. With Bill4Time, you can streamline your expense tracking process and focus on growing your business.